Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing the top 3 ways to earn money from Chatgpt. As you may already know, Chatgpt is a large language model trained by OpenAI, and it's becoming increasingly popular among businesses and individuals who want to automate customer service, generate content, or improve their search engine optimization. But did you know that you can also earn money from Chatgpt? Here are the top 3 ways to do it. Content creation. One way to earn money from Chatgpt is by creating content that people find valuable. You can use Chatgpt to generate blog posts, social media updates, product descriptions, and more. You can then sell this content to businesses or individuals who need it. The key is to create high-quality content that is unique, informative, and engaging. Customer service automation. Another way to earn money from Chatgpt is by automating customer service. You can create a chatbot that uses Chatgpt to answer common questions, resolve issues, and provide support to customers. This can help businesses save time and money, and improve customer satisfaction. You can charge a fee for setting up the chatbot, or for ongoing maintenance and support. SEO optimization. Finally, you can use Chatgpt to improve your search engine optimization, SEO. You can generate content that is optimized for specific keywords and phrases, which can help improve your website's ranking on search engine results pages. This can lead to more traffic, more leads, and more sales. You can offer SEO optimization services to businesses or individuals, or you can use Chatgpt to optimize your own website and earn money through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or other monetization methods. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn money from Chatgpt, and these are just a few of the most popular ones. Whether you're a content creator, a customer service expert, or an SEO specialist, there's likely a way for you to leverage Chatgpt to earn money. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.